If you're walking past at this moment in time on this small mountain in Vietnam, you might be wondering what I'm doing trying to fish this plastic container out of the wall and what it's doing there in the first place. Well, let me explain. This is something called geocaching, and it's a game that's played all across the world by millions of players. Basically, people around the world hide containers, they post the GPS coordinates of where they are, and other people try to find them. Of course, reaching the location is only half the story. Once you're there, you actually have to search for the cache, sometimes with a hint from the cache owner. And let me tell you, some of these are hidden pretty well. So what's inside the caches? Well, sometimes people leave little trinkets or souvenirs, but oftentimes it's just a logbook in the form of a little piece of paper for you to sign your name and say that you found it. It's really more about the challenge than it is about finding hidden treasure or prizes. It's kind of a nice way to go beyond the usual tourist attractions that you see on Google, a way of venturing into the back streets, into the unknown, and experiencing a side of a place that you wouldn't have experienced otherwise. Anyway, enough talking, let's find some more.